Close grip bench press. Target muscle tricep with oral pressing strength and engage the chest and shoulder muscle. You can perform it lying on a flat bench with an Olympic barbell. If you are a beginner, perform it on a Smith machine. First of all, select the plate according to your strength and hold the bar with hand closer than shoulder width. Lower it down toward your chest and press back up. Focus on the tricep muscle. Incline easy bars curl crusher. Focus on the long head of the tricep. Set the bench in inclined position and lean down on the bench and hold the easy bar with an overhead grip, bending the elbow of the hand. Take the bar downward from behind the head and then controlling the speed, bringing it upward to the starting position and then squeeze the tricep muscle. Rope push down. Target muscle tricep brachii. Attach the rope cable to the top lock of the cable machine and stand facing toward the machine. Pull the cable downward by extending your elbow and squeezing the tricep muscle. Then with the control speed, bringing the rope cable to the starting position. In this you are able to stretch the tricep muscle mostly. Dumbbell overhead extension. Stretch and work the long head of the tricep. Engage the core for stability. As shown in the video, stand straight with dumbbell above your head with both hands or sit on the back supported bench, bending the elbow of the hand. Slowly move the dumbbell downward from behind your head and then bringing it upward. You should perform this with the control weight dumbbell so that your spine does not get injured. Single arm reverse cable push down. Target the lateral heel of the tricep. Improve strength and muscle balance. Attach a single handle to the cable machine and stand facing the machine. Hold the handle with one hand with reverse grip and keeping the body stable. Pull the handle downward until your tricep muscle is squeezed well. Then bringing the handle upward to the starting position. Similarly, you have to perform it with the other hand also.